Hello, this is a video about the tardigrades at the Sultan Wastewater Treatment Plant. At the time this footage was taken, there was a large spike in the population of tardigrades, so I'm making a video about them. This tardigrade here has eggs in it. You can see them there, so this one's harboring young, so pregnant. And then you can see its oral apparatus there, also known as the buccal-pharyngeal apparatus. And then if you look closely, you can see its little feet. So based on the toes and the buccal-pharyngeal apparatus plus just the body shape, this is a heterotardigrade. So those are the three main things I use to identify tardigrades, just basically, and then using those you can also get a better identification, like to a family or an order, but I did not need to do that necessarily. And this is from mixed liquor, or the oxidation ditch at the plant, which is where the water from the bottom of the clarifier is sent to be oxidized, as in dissolved oxygen is put in it. And then there are many organisms in it. And there it pointed out its buccal-pharyngeal apparatus, that is the oral apparatus. It connects to the mouth and has the pharynx, similar to a human, but it has that large section there. And it just tried to swallow something so you could see it in action. And here's a diagram showing the different parts of it. And as you can see, it goes down. The piercing stylets are the two things coming out of the sides there, which is what gives it that V shape. And then there is the mouth and then the pharynx. And that is that little oval shape. So that's very important to their identification. Different tardigrades will have different looking ones. Some barely even have piercing stylets. And then also you can tell by their toes, their taxa, which is not always super easy to do. But anyways, I'm sorry for not making videos in a while. I was on a vacation, and I hope to make a lot more soon. But anyways, goodbye. The rest of this is just some tardigrade footage.